This section heading is called Hadoop Installation. So now the package that we're going to use to install Hadoop version 2.7.3 is located inside of user local source. So inside of there, you're going to find that package. So now the way that we're going to install this package is we're essentially just going to extract it to the user local directory. So once again, we're extracting it to that directory because that's a recommended installation directory for this user. So we're going to use tar. We're going to use the following options. And we are going to need to specify the location, so user local source, and then the file is Hadoop 2.7.3. We want to extract it to user local. Alright, so once this extracts into that directory, we want to ensure that we as a user, meaning the support user that's in the support group, has the proper permissions over that installation directory because we are the Hadoop administrator. So we're going to need to essentially manage those files within there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to check the permissions over that directory. So we're going to do an ls-l, and then once again that's user local, and then it's Hadoop. So what we can notice when we list all of the files within the installation directory is that the root user that's in the root group has permissions. If we take a look at the permissions over here, so this is essentially what tells us, is these are the permissions for the user, so the root user. These are the permissions for the group, so everybody that's in the root group. And then these are the permissions for everyone else. So we're going to keep this simple. The way that we're going to essentially ensure that the support user that's in the support group has permissions over all of these files is we're just going to change ownership. So we're going to type a sudo chown, and then it's going to be recursive. We're going to change it from the root user in the root group to the support user in the support group. And then we need to specify the installation directory. So now we'll hit the up arrow key and we'll just verify that the changes have been made. And we're good.